Hello guys, how are you all doing? In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can remove black screen if you have any Windows Explorer like this. If your PC started misbehaving and you try to end the task, that is the application, and suddenly you end the task of Windows Explorer just like this. And all of a sudden, this happens everything. So it's all of a sudden, and this happens. Everything on your desktop goes blank. But don't worry, this isn't a big issue at all. That's why I brought up a solution for you on how to get back your screen to the normal way. So if you already have this on the screen, that isn't a big deal. Let's say this is to minimize your screen. Yes, as you can see, it's totally off, and everything is totally blank here. So what you have to do now is use your fingers to press those control keys, control plus, then plus control alt plus. You see the delete key. If you are using Windows 10 or 11, this is the delete. Then and this will pop up after showing the icon. So after you press the control plus plus alt plus delete, it will show the icons here. So you click on the task manager. Eh? So after you click on the task manager, what you have to do now is go to a file, then go to run new task, and then explorer. So when you run a new task, make sure you type explorer. Use your fingers to type explorer. Repeat after me. Don't forget to use those keyboards, control plus alt plus the delete key. Repeat after me. After me. Don't control plus alt plus delete. Then after running a new task and before typing explorer, you click on OK. So this is how to remove black screen on your PC if you have any Windows Explorer like this. And I hope if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell button so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. Catch you in the next one. And if you have any questions, you can drop your comments. If you are looking for tutorial that can help that can help you fix your laptop keyboard not working on Windows 7, 8, and 10 and 11, you can watch this. And after you have done watching this and the next one, don't hesitate to share with your friends, your families, and colleagues so that they can watch and learn. And thank me later.